Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy that you are here for one more flip through. So today we're going to do the Unfolding Path Tarot by Athene Noctua, a 78 card deck and guidebook. That's sideways. This deck is cost $24.99 in US and $33.99 in Canada. Life is a magical journey. The 78 cards tarot deck, featuring beautifully reimagined archetypes and modern diverse characters, will guide you as you explore the infinite paths your life can take, with unique interpretations of traditional Rider-Waite-Smith imagery. The Unfold Path Tarot introduced a dazzling community of animals, plants, and people. This deck, vibrant artwork, insightful guidebook, and extra sprinkle of magic create the perfect compass for self-discovery. This deck was actually voted one of the best decks of 2023 by Lionheart's artwork in Instagram. I do follow him if you guys want to check it out. He does tarot challenges. So let's open this tarot deck and see what the first impressions and my comments on that. That is inside of the box. Is beautiful straight away. A lovely, beautiful imagery. Another side of the box, really beautiful. Let's see the guidebook. It's a good size. That is Athene Noctua. I hope I am pronouncing her name right. If you're not, please forgive me. So that's the contents, introduction. Let's see tarot basics. Let's see if I can find some spreads, card spreads. Let's see. And there we go. So card spread. So it's one card spread, sacred, single card spread, sorry. And 3 card spreads. Path to self-love, path to self-love. There we go. So it does have some spreads in there. Major Arcana. Very nice, very nice. So that is the back of the cards. Let's cut that with the scissor. I got really weak nails, so I wouldn't be able to open that without it. A scissor. So that is beautiful imagery straight away, beautiful artwork. The card is very thick and steady. You can see straight away that is, guys. I like it. Not sure, I don't have a thick card like that, but let's see how we're gonna go. That is beautiful straight away. How gorgeous is that? Magician. Love it. High Priestess. How beautiful. The Empress. Wow, that is a really beautiful deck. It reminds me a lot of the another deck that I have. I just gonna get it. The Lightseers. It reminds me a lot of the Lightseers. A lot of the cards remind me of the Lightseers. I'm gonna be working with this deck in February. I'm not sure what the vibe of this deck is yet. I'm not sure if it's Aquarius vibe, but it's not a Pisces vibe. It's straight away I can see that that's not a Pisces. It's gorgeous. I love the variety of the imagery. It's old people, young people. The variety is beautiful. It's very modern. I'm not sure if I did the right thing saying variety of people, but hey, that but that's what you know you want in a deck. That's what I want. I don't know you, but that's what I want in a deck. Variety. Because not everybody is the same. So, and it does remind me of the Rider-Waite tarot deck. Some of them, not all of them. Some here and there, but it reminds me of the Light Seers. The moon, gorgeous, really beautiful. The impression that I have of this deck is very fairy tale, very fantasy. Anyways, I love it. It's beautiful, really gorgeous. Judgment. I am taking my time because I am appreciating every single card, all the details, and I hope you are too. Like I said before, this deck was voted in one of the websites that I follow. It was voted one of the best tarot decks of 2023. Now I know why. How gorgeous is that? We're doing the minor arcana now. It's like reality meets fantasy with this deck. That's how I feel, the feeling I have with this deck. How gorgeous, beautiful. Wands, warrior, looks beautiful. Stunning, stunning artwork. just makes sense. A lot of the cards. I can see that this is going to be one of my favorite decks. Well, I will be working in February with it, and I'll be see the energy of this deck. But I have these mixed emotions with these decks, like fantasy, reality meets fantasy, fantasy world. And I like it, don't get me wrong, but I don't know how to place it in my life. I love it. It's like it's a mixed emotions. I love every single card up to now. That is Copas between the Three of Copas. It makes so is how beautiful is that? Even the pumpkin I like it. Yeah, this card reminds me a little bit a modern version of Rider-Waite, Four of Cups. Tell me below if you do like this deck, if you work with this deck already, if you heard about it, what is your opinion? Tell me on the comments what is your what do you think of it? If you have mixed emotions like me. Seven of Cups. Gorgeous. There's a lot of flowers. I love these flowers and sparkle. I'm thinking if this sparkle around all the cards is the energy that is around us, is our energy. I wonder if she wants to capture that. By the way, the cards are matte finish. It looks a bit glossy, it's just because of the light, but they are a matte finish. That's swords now. We're doing minor arcana. We're doing the sword suit. I really want to know your opinion on this deck. If you do have these mixed emotions as well, like me. Love that card. Love that card. It's very modern. Absolutely love it. Beautiful. Another thing, do you guys think this is a modern deck? It does sounds modern for you. It does look modern for you. What do you guys think? Just put it on the comments below. I would love to see what you guys think. I think that card is my least favorite because of the bloods. These swords for me is more thoughts than actual blood, so that is the least card. I'm not sure about this card. Gorgeous, beautiful card, beautiful art. And I like it as well because it does have a border, but it doesn't, if it makes sense. That white bit, I kind of like it. And the letter is small, but you can still see it. So it's a quite good deck for beginners as well. And something modern as well for beginners that is just starting learning tarot, they would understand. How beautiful is that? Look, very colorful. We are on the Suite of Pentacles now. Gorgeous. Love it. I can't stop saying I love it, but I don't like the Ten of Swords so much. That still reminds me of Rider-Waite, or whatever how they pronounce it, but in a modern version. Of course, it doesn't have so much details as the Rider-Waite-Smith tarot deck, but it's still a lot, so you can definitely follow your intuition with that. Not sure about this card either, but most decks that I have, the person is not smiling with that card, but gorgeous. And we're about to get to the last cards. And I hope this deck have met your expectations. It actually did meet mine. So let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, for me, my hands is quite small and the cards are really thick. So yeah, it's very hard in the beginning for me. And also my nails are really weak at the moment. So if you are a beginner and if you, but I think you need to practice to get, you to keep using the deck a lot. And then I think the best way to shuffle this deck would be like this. And you won't damage the deck as well. I feel like if we are trying to do other ways with this deck, you might damage the deck. You might damage the card stock. Yeah, they don't glide easily. Here we go. That is a reading. There we go, Nine of Cups. And let's see what the guidebook says about the Nine of Cups. Okay, contentment, satisfaction, gratitude, and pleasure. This is the card of dreams come true and wishes fulfilled. This card represents deep contentment and appreciation for all that you have created and being blessed with it. It could be a sign that what you have been hoping for is on its way, whether it be wealth, love, or abundance of every kind in our ever changing world. That is a beautiful message. I hope you guys love it like I did. And if you did like this video, give us a thumbs up for me to continue doing videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.